Hello, good afternoon everybody. This is your teacher Melita, and in this video we are going to check a little bit of grammar. In this opportunity we are going to talk about future, but not the simple future. We are going to see the passive future. Yes, passive voice can be applied in any tense, and in this case we are going to apply it to the future. Well, for example, this is a common sentence in active voice expressed in the future. The company will build the bridge next year. Will is expressing the future. And in a passive voice, what we are going to do is to focus our attention to the object, in this case, the bridge. And we say, the bridge will be built next year. Another example, this is another sentence expressed in the future. They will publish the book next year. Now we are going to express the same, but in the passive voice, focusing our attention in the object, in this case, the book. The book will be published next year. So here we have the contrast between active and passive voice. As you have noticed, the structure is the following. Subject, will, plus the verb to be, or be, like it in the base form, plus the verb in a past participle. For example, here the bridge is the subject, will is expressing future, be in the base form, built, that is the verb in the past participle. The same happens with the second sentence. The book, will, that expresses future, be in the base form, published, that is in the past participle. We can use will. Also, we can use other modal verbs, such as might, may, could. For example, my professor has told me that I may be invited to give the keynote speech at the conference this year. The road over the mountains might be closed if this rain turns to snow. If you are all keen to make an early start, the meeting could be brought forward to 9 o'clock. These are examples how we may use modal verbs as well instead of will. Now here you have some sentences expressed in the active voice. Please convert them in the passive voice.